Hi everybody, it's Christina and Cindy, and we are here talking about the Spring Rose bra. It was sent to us by Spring Rose. It's an adaptive wear bra.
Yes, it is.
So we're going to go over some of the features and then some of the ways, the techniques that you can use to put the bra on.
Exactly. All right, so some of the features of the bra that we really like. First of all, as you can see, it's adjustable here in the front. So you can actually, Christina, you can adjust this to the strap here from the front to help as far as the fit there. You also see here that it has some attachments right down here. So pull those apart. This is actually Velcro, very soft Velcro to be exact. And this is we're going to show you how this assists with this front opening to help you put that bra on or take it off, things like that. Now, let's go ahead and turn around a second. It also has this very nice, so it has the loop, the iron loop here in the back, but it also has this very nice pad right here over those for skin sensitivity. So I like that aspect. It has nice wide straps here, so it prevents that cutting into your shoulders and things
it's very
like that.
soft.
Yes.
I mean, it's very comfortable to wear. There's nothing that, when I wore it, I wore it around for a few days, and I didn't have anything kind of digging into me. I mean, the Velcro is super soft. You know, when you think of Velcro, you just think of it.
Yeah, that kind of rough stuff.
Yeah.
But this is super
Yeah,
soft.
it is.
But we're talking about, chronic pain, lack of shoulder motion or arm motion, maybe a limb difference.
Yeah, single-handed use.
Single-handed use, things like that.